There is more detail in this video than shown, but I'm going to try my best to explain so that you can recreate this at home. Hello there, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rita and I'm the cooking nurse, and today I'm going to show you how you can make rice without direction. You did not plan to make rice, but somehow you find yourself with some marinated chicken and you decide, you know what, I'm not wasting time, let's do this. It's no pilau, it's not anything, it's just fried rice with chicken in it. Start by marinating the chicken in whatever marinade that is. There we have onions, we have spices, we have soy sauce, we have Worcestershire, we have oil, we have coriander. It's mainly the basic marinade. So it has been seated there for a while. So now we are going to go on and brown it on a pan. We sprinkled with some olive oil until it's like brown on both sides. One, we are trying to seal in the flavors and the aromas. Two, we want to create the base for the onions and the vegetables are going to be coming in. So whatever flavors are going to stay in the pan after we have removed this chicken, that is what we're going to be working with. If you're new here, you already know, I think by now, that I love chicken and rice. So there has to be like so many recipes in which we can enjoy this without getting bored. Remove the brown chicken thighs from the pan, and then go ahead and add their fat of choice. I'm using clarified butter, which is cooked ghee, no lactose, nothing, it's just a butter. And then once it has melted and fully spread out, I'm going to go in with my onions. I'm using a yellow onion, the other half. So we're going to saute these until they are golden brownish before they burn. Just make sure the aroma comes out of these and they are blending properly. Meanwhile, as we are doing this, please remember to subscribe. I'm just requesting. And deglaze the pan. You can use some little bit of stock or water or whatever, and then we're going to put in that remaining marinade. There is so much flavor in that, so we don't want to throw it away since we are not taking any particular direction. We're just going to add it in and then help deglaze the pot. And keep on sauteing the onions, and then we're going to go in with cumin. I really love cumin. Really love cumin. I love how it takes a simple dish like from 0 to 7 to 8 and 9, and it's like able to go on a journey alone and do something incredible. So we're going to add in that one, mix properly, and then go in with our vegetables. We are going to be using our bell peppers, red, yellow, and green, and then mix those properly. Then go in with your rice. You can wash your rice, you may not wash your rice. It's good, it's still going to cook, you're still going to boil it. So if it gives you headache, please go ahead and do what is more comfortable for you. We want to first mix it properly into this mixture, season with salt, and make sure all the fat has like coated the grains. One, this is going to help the grains easily separate once the rice is cooked, and also it's going to prevent premature burning, if that makes sense. So we're just going to toss this around, and once it's good, we're going to go on ahead and add in our tap lager. If you have stock, chicken stock, better, but sometimes I forget to defrost stuff, and I mean, it has to be hard. So there we are. I'm going to be using water, but the good thing is I have my flavors right up there, so no worries. We're going to add in 2 cups of water because we used 1 cup of rice, and then once we have mixed this properly, we'll return the chicken to the pan and bring this to a boil and simmer until all the water has been absorbed. This is the simplest rice dish you're going to make. Like, it's simple but also complex in a way, but you'll figure it out. I trust you. I know if you've been here for long, you know what to do. So that's it. The water is still there, but we're going to keep covering, and just like that, reduce the heat, and this is it. So good and effortless. And there you are. Well done for watching up until this time. If you haven't subscribed, maybe you should consider it, and I'll be seeing you soon in my other videos. Bye. Oh, I forgot to tell you, you should garnish with some fresh herbs. This is coriander.